All right, each group of 5 can only send 1. So that's 5 choose 3. And that's 5 factorial over 3 factorial times 5 minus 3 factorial. And that's 5 factorial over 3 factorial times 2 factorial. And that's 5 times 4 times 3 factorial over 3 factorial times 2. And these cancel. 5 times 4 is 20 divided by 2 is 10. And then each of the couples chosen, each of the couples chosen can send 2 ways of sending that person. So that uses the fundamental counting rule. You've got the committee of 3 people coming from those couples. You got 2 choices for the first one, 2 choices for the next one, 2 choices for the next one. So that's 8. So you've got a total of 10 times 8, which is 80.